I found that f of x equals f of negative x, f of 0 equals 0, and f of
Oh,
x squared is x squared f of x.
oh, so it is more than 50% of the solution. Good job. And can you explain how you reached these results?
Oh, oh wait. Uh, oh, so when y is 0,
Mm-hmm.
I got f of x squared is f of x plus f of 0. And then um I did the same thing. Oh wait, no, yeah. And then when x is 0, I got f of negative y plus 2y f of 0 equals f of 0
Mm-hmm.
plus f of y. Oh, and then I got when x equals y equals 0, I got f of 0 is 0.
Yes.
Because it's f of 0 equals f. It becomes f of 0 minus f of 0.
Exactly. F of
So,
0 would be cancelled.
yeah.
And this one 0, f of 0, 0. So you can write this, right?
Right. And
Then
so
what?
I said f of 0 can be expressed as f of x minus f of negative x over 2x for any x from that. Or f, yeah.
Yes, and what?
And then I substituted that into the first equation, the y is 0. And I took two cases, if x is x or if x is negative x. F of x squared is f of x plus f of x minus f of negative x over 2x. And then when x, instead of x, if it's negative x, it'll be f of x squared plus equals f of negative x. And then the last part will be the same because the negative 2x makes it like, it'll
Huh.
be negative.
We can do something. Here we can negate it also. Do you agree it's f of negative x minus f of x over negative 2x? But they are equal, obviously, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so here f of
So
negative x plus f of negative x minus f of x over
over
negative
negative
2x, right? They are equal.
So those are equal. So f of x equals f of negative x.
Yes.
And then what did I, and then and then I tried the I did y equals x squared, and then I took the case where it's x and negative x.
Let me write. It is
Um,
our main equation is 1. Suppose this one is 2. This one is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4, this one is 5. So y is equal to x squared in which equation?
um, sorry. Y is x squared. It becomes f
In
of
first
0.
equation? Uh-huh. Okay,
Oh no
okay.
no no. Oh yeah,
Plus
sure. Sorry. Yeah, in first equation.
plus
F of
2x
0
squared f of
plus x
x
squared f of x
is equal to
equals
f
f
of
of x
x plus f of x squared.
plus f of x squared. And if you do that where instead of x it's negative x, it's the
Mm-hmm.
same. It'll be f of 0 plus 2x squared f of negative x equals f of negative x plus f of x squared. And then the right side, we know both are equal, so we can get 2x squared f of x equals 2x squared f of negative x.
Yeah, so 2x squared f of x is equal to 2x squared f of negative x. X is
So
not
f of x
if x is
not
not 0, you
0,
can cancel f of x is equal to
f
f
of
of
x is
negative
f
x.
of negative
And
x.
because if x is 0, both of them will be f of 0, right? So we can conclude always they are equal, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, so it's not important that x is 0 or not. We can conclude
Uh-huh.
this. Good job. Then what?
And then, oh wait. Oh, I tried first equation. So I did first equation, f of x squared minus y plus 2y f of x equals f of x plus f of y. And I did it where it's plus, instead of y, it's negative
Which
y.
one?
So f
Which
of x
one?
squared.
Which number? Which number?
Equation 1.
Equation 1, you did what?
So I used the case where it's negative y. So f of x squared plus y minus
Okay,
2y f
okay,
of
okay.
x.
F of x squared plus y negative y. F of x squared plus y minus
Minus
2y
2y
f of
f of
x is equal to
f
f
of
of
x
f
plus
of x.
negative 1. And then if you subtract them, it become the right hand side is 0. If you
Yeah.
subtract it from the equation 1, so I got f of x squared minus y minus f of x squared plus y will be negative 4 equals negative 4y f of x or plus 4y f of x.
Is equal to 0, right?
Right. And then I said when x is 0, it becomes, oh, for that last equation, when x is 0, it becomes f of negative y minus f of y plus 4y f of 0. And then the first two expressions become cancel out. And so f of 0 must equal 0.
Good job. Then what?
And then, oh wait. I think I went back to previous case where y is 0. I'm not sure. Oh wait.
And this one? Okay, okay. You can update
Yes.
this
It is.
and
Yeah.
you can say f of
Uh-huh.
x squared is equal to f of x, right?
Right.
Okay, good job. Now from
And
here you wanted. Have you reached any other result?
oh wait. Wait, could you scroll up? I forgot how I got, but because I got f of x squared is x squared times f of
Okay,
x.
okay, okay.
Um, wait. Um. Oh, I replaced original equation with Oh, sorry, y equals x squared.
Mm-hmm.
The first equation, I replaced the f of x with the f of x squared, and so it becomes f of 0 plus 2x squared f of x equals f of 2f of x squared.
Equation x and y is equal to x squared, then f of x is equal to f of x squared, right? And f of
All right,
0,
so
0, so 2x squared. F of x is equal to f
equals
of
2f of
2f of
x.
x squared, right?
All right, so x squared f of x is
Good
f
job.
of
F of
x.
x squared is equal to x squared f of x, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it was the last result that you reached, right?
All right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
good job. All of these things are important, so you found this. Now, for next part, because we found, for example, f of x, right?
All
So,
right.
by the things you've reached, you should calculate f of x in two different ways by the things you've
Uh,
reached. And if you calculate it in
uh,
two different ways, then you can reach some good thing about f of x. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Want more hint or that's enough?
That's enough. I'll keep trying.
Okay. Want hint or wanna keep trying?
Sorry.
Want hint or want to keep trying?
Oh wait, because the first way is that you substitute number 8 and then keep working until you get simplified.
So can you tell me exactly we should replace it with what?
So you turn the f of you use the f of f the oh shit, sorry, wait. Actually, can I keep trying? I think I got it.
Okay, sure. Can you say it again?
The first one I got f of x raised to 4.
Let me. You reach f of x raised to 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you explain?
I used number 8 within the f of x that's inside. So it's like f of x squared, which becomes f of x raised to 4.
This one will be f of x is f of x squared, right?
X squared. Right.
Then what?
F of x to the 4 from number 8.
So we can calculate it as f of x to the 4. Can we calculate it?
Oh, and then I got it the other way.
We found f of
Instead of
x squared was what? I will want to find it in
sorry?
terms of f of x. F of x
Yeah.
squared was what?
F of x squared is x squared f of x.
So this part would be what?
Oh, so this one is x to the 4th f of x squared, which is x squared f of x. So x is 6 f of x.
Yes, so you found this in terms of x and f of x. You can calculate it again with similar approach, but a bit different, and again find another formula in terms of f of x.
Because what I found, I tried a different approach. I don't know if it's correct, but I got f of x squared. I used 8 again, but instead of the x, it's f of x inside. So
So it is equal to what?
f of x squared.
Yes.
Like yeah.
Then what?
Oh. I'm not sure after. Oh.
So look, f of the thing inside, you consider this thing inside. So it will be f of x. So you can keep simplifying and reach another formula. One hint or one now keep trying?
I can keep trying.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure. So f squared, we can say it is f of f squared of x, right? And we can consider this, or we can consider, we said f of we said f of x is equal to what? X, f of x squared, right? So f of x is equal to f of x squared. F of x squared is x squared f of x, right?
Right.
So we can say f of x is x squared f of x, right? So do you agree because it is x squared f of x because of this? Agreed?
Right. Yeah.
So here it is f of x. If you replace x with f of x, it would be this, right? So we can write f of x squared, f of what?
F of
If we use this part, and apply it here for
Oh, f of x. Oh, okay.
Exactly. And then we can say f of x is equal to what?
Is equal to f.
Again, apply this one.
Oh, x squared f of x cubed.
Exactly. So it will be f of x.
Oh, okay.
So now these two things are equal, right?
Right.
So what can we conclude?
Oh, so we can conclude f squared of x is x raised to 4.
Do you agree?
They're
We
equal.
know f of 0 is 0, so we can consider x is not 0, right? So if x is not 0, f of x is what or what?
If x is not 0, f of x is equal to x squared.
X squared or
Plus minus.
plus minus
Or
x
negative
squared
x squared.
or
0.
0. Yes. Now we reach this. Now one thing from this part or want to try on your own?
I'll try.
Okay,
Oh,
sure.
for this part, is it you just choose between, like, you just check if they're correct?
You should prove that all of them should be x squared or all of them negative x squared or all of them 0.
Okay.
Understood? Do you agree? One case is all of them for all x's, f of x is x squared. One case is for all x, f of x is equal to negative x squared. One case for all x, f of x is 0. And you can check that all these three functions satisfy the equation of the problem. You should prove it's not possible to have, for example, if f of 1 is 1, f of 2 has to be what?
F of 2 has to be 4. Oh,
4.
okay.
It cannot be negative 4 or 0, okay?
Right, okay.
You should prove something like this in general. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. One thing for this one, want to try on your own?
I can try.
Okay, try. Let me know if you want it.
Okay. For all x, it's this.
Okay, sure. So, we should prove two of them cannot be possible, right?
Oh, okay.
So, now,
Oh, so is it you take like 3 cases and you're like, if f of a equals x squared, f of b equals negative x squared, it's contradiction?
yes, for example, f of a squared
F of b is negative b squared.
and a and b shouldn't be
And then-
equal to what?
Oh, a and b should not be equal to 0?
Yes, it is the hardest case. So check, for example, this case first. F of b is 0. Okay, if one of them equal to 0, then it would be easier. Okay,
Oh,
so check this case first, then negative a squared is 0, then at the end a squared negative b squared. Want hint or wanna keep trying?
I'll try.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure. For case 1, let's copy this and paste it here. Okay. So, for example, we can say f of a squared minus b. Let's consider x equal to 0. So we can say f of b squared minus a. Then this one is 0. This one 0 is equal to what? F of
A, which is a squared.
exactly. Now we know this part is what or what or what?
Oh, we know it's 0 or a is b squared minus a squared.
0 or b squared minus a whole squared or negative this, right?
Oh, okay.
If it is 0, then a squared is 0 contradiction because a is 0, right? We said that a is not 0. Because 0 satisfies all of them. Because 0 is equal to 0 plus minus 0 squared 0. Because 0 satisfies all of them, it's not important. We consider A and B not 0 to this, so first one contradiction, right? For next one, how can we reach contradiction? We can cancel A squared, right? So it's B minus 2B squared A. Agreed? If we divide by B
Yes.
squared, then B is equal to, B squared is equal to 2A, right? Here we've not reached contradiction, but we can reach contradiction for this one, because we can say A plus B squared minus A, because they are real numbers, at least 0, so each of them should be 0, and that's a contradiction, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay, but for this case, we couldn't reach a contradiction, right? We can select x and y equals another variable to reach contradiction. Want more hint, or that's enough? Want more hint, or that's enough?
That's enough.
Okay, sure. Try. Let me know if you wanted it.
Okay. A, X is A, Y is B. And then I took cases and got contradiction.
Here, how you reach contradiction for this case?
Oh, so I substituted X as A, Y is B, so f of A squared minus B plus 2B f of A equals, yeah, equals f of A plus f of B.
Yes,
And
then
then
what?
it simplifies into f of A squared minus B plus 2A squared B equals f of A squared.
Yes.
And then A squared, I just took 4 cases. So
You
f
consider
of A squared minus,
also for this A squared
A squared I took 3 cases, and then because A squared minus B, we're only trying to contradict
this case.
Yeah.
So we know B squared minus A whole squared. And we know also A is equal to B squared over 2, right?
Oh, okay.
Yes, okay, so this one you said is equal to...
Is equal to, if f of A squared is 0, then f of A squared minus B is negative 2A squared B, which is
you should consider some cases of this and cases of this, right?
Plus 2A squared B.
Can you say it again? You consider cases of this and cases of this, right?
Oh, I only consider cases for f of A squared, because A squared minus B, we're only trying to prove the B squared minus A squared is A squared case, right?
It was f of B squared minus A. It is A squared minus B.
Okay.
Do you agree here we should consider cases of this?
Yeah.
Okay, and yes, by casework you can consider cases of this and cases of this. So let's check. The cases of this are 0 on. Let's, before that, for simplification, we want to only negate this case. From here, we can conclude that A is B squared over 2, right? So here is f of B to the 4 over 4, right? Minus B plus 2 times B to the 4 over 4, right? Times B is equal to f of B to the 4 over 4, right? We can cancel these 2, so f of B to the 4 over 4 minus B plus B to the 5 over 2 is equal to f of B to the 4 over 4, right?
Right.
So we should consider cases that this one 0, 0, right? All these things. But we can do something else. We can consider cases of that. Instead of this f of A squared, I want to do something to reach something near this one. Do you agree f of B 0 is better to use B for this one, right? For Y. For X, because then most of them would be 0, right?
Right.
So we used x is equal to b in this case and y a, right? And we reach this. In next case, we can consider x what, y what?
X.
For example, if we replace x with b, y with negative a, okay, 0, 0, then it would be what? Y f of b squared plus a. This one 0, 0, f of negative a, which is equal to f of a, right? And we know it's a squared, right?
Right.
Okay, because it is 0, then we prefer to use 0 for x, right? F of b for x, because we can cancel these two terms, right? Now again here, you can say it can be 0 or b squared plus a squared minus b squared plus a squared, right?
Right.
So this one contradiction, this one also contradiction, because like previous case, you can take it to right side and both of them should be 0, right?
Right.
So we can conclude b squared plus a whole squared is equal to a squared, right? Then b to the 4 plus 2b squared a is equal to 0. We can divide by b squared, so b squared plus 2a is 0, right?
Right.
So a is equal to negative b squared over 2. So a is b squared over 2, a is negative b squared over 2. So a is equal to negative a and a is 0, right?
Right.
Understood how we reach contradiction?
Yeah.
Okay, so we considered a squared and 0. Now try to reject negative a squared and 0. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Want hint or want to keep trying?
Could you give him?
Okay, sure. So now we should consider negative a squared and 0, right?
Right.
Okay, let's check.
Okay, sige po. So,
Negative a squared and 0. So can you guess that we should replace x with what, y with what?
X with B, Y with A.
X with what, y with what?
X with B, Y with A.
Exactly. Then we can conclude what?
F of B squared minus A is negative A squared.
F of b 0, negative a squared. Good job. Then what?
And then, so is it casework? 0 is negative A squared, or B squared minus A squared is negative A squared. And then B squared
Yes.
negative.
We can reject which two of them?
The first two.
Exactly. From y we can reject first one.
You get A is 0.
What about next one?
It's similar because the sum is equal to 0, so that means A squared is at least 0, but it has to be equal 0.
Exactly. Sum of two
0.
squares equal to 0 because they are real number. Each of them at least 0, right?
Right.
In complex number, we cannot say this because, for example, I squared is negative 1, right? But because it's from real numbers. Now we should check this one. If we check this one, then what can we conclude? Do you agree we can
B
negate
raised
both sides?
Yeah.
B raised to 4
Minus 2ab squared is 0.
then what?
Oh, b squared is 2a.
Yes. Now in next step, we should replace x with what, y with what?
Next up, x with negative b.
What we did here? X, B, Y, A. Next step, X, B, Y, negative A, right? Agreed?
Yeah.
So here we should replace X with what, Y with what?
X with B, Y is negative A.
Then we can conclude what?
Then it becomes f of b squared plus a minus 2a f of, equals f of negative a, which is negative a squared.
So what are the cases of this?
Then b squared plus a, 0 equals negative a squared, contradiction. B squared plus a squared is negative a squared, contradiction. And then negative b squared plus a squared is negative a squared.
Then if we multiply by negative 1, we can conclude what?
We can conclude b squared, 9a, okay. You can also substitute b squared as 2a, right? So it's
Yes, but you don't need. If we can say b to the 4 plus 2ab squared 0, right? You can also consider these two things. And then from these two things, we can conclude what is 0.
b is 0.
Yes, 2b to the 4 is 0, then b is 0 contribution. Or you can divide here by b squared. You can reach b squared is negative 2a. Negative 2a is 2a is 0, right?
Right.
You can also replace the thing you said. You can replace b squared with 2a and reach contradiction, right?
Right.
All of them are correct. Now in third case, we should consider what? It was second case.
Third case, f of a is negative a squared and f of b is b squared.
Yes, negative a squared and f of b squared. One hint for this part, or want to try this on your own?
I can try. I can try.
Okay, sure. One hint or want to keep trying?
Can you just?
Okay, sure. So let's replace it. Let's copy main equation. We can replace x and y with what?
X with a, y with b.
Yes. Then we can write f of a squared minus b. So
2b f of a.
plus 2b f of a. Then what?
Minus equals f of a plus f of b.
F of a, which is f of negative a squared, plus f of b, which is b squared, right?
Right.
So f of a also we know is negative a squared, right? So f of a squared minus b minus 2b a squared, right? Is equal to negative f of negative a squared plus b squared. Now let's write for what and what, x what, y what.
X is a, y is negative b.
So then it would be what? F of
A squared plus b plus 2ba squared is equal to f of negative a squared plus b squared.
Then from here we can conclude what?
F of a squared minus b minus f of a squared plus b is 4ba squared.
Yes, we have lots of common terms, right?
Right.
Okay, so here, do you agree we can consider something? F of x we proved is what?
We prove it's equal to f of x squared, or
Yes, f of x squared and f of x squared is equal to what?
X squared f of x.
Yes. Here, because I want to get rid of the case to check cases of this, so we can say it is equal to what? F of negative a squared,
It's
then is
equal to
or let's write something. Let's write something. It is first f of a, right? So f of a is equal to what?
f of a squared or a squared f of a.
A squared f of a. F of a is what?
Negative a squared, so negative a to the 4.
Yes, plus b squared, right? Also, we can write negative a to the 4 plus b squared, right? Now let's consider something. We know that f of a squared minus b then is equal to what?
Oh, negative a b squared plus 2ba squared minus a raised to 4.
So now what are the cases of a squared minus b?
Oh, so 0 equals that, a squared minus b squared equals that, and negative a squared minus b squared equals that.
Yes, we can say it is equal to 0 or a squared minus b whole squared or negative a squared minus b whole squared, right? If we check this one, then it is equal to what? We know, for example, suppose b squared to be a squared minus a to the 4. So left hand side is what?
A to the 4th minus 2a squared b plus b squared.
Yes, let me move this part to right side. This one is a to the 4 plus b squared minus 2a squared b, right? And this one is negative a to the 4 minus b squared plus 2a squared b, right? Both of them equal to this, agreed?
Right.
So here a to the 4 would be cancelled, and from here we can conclude what? This one also would be cancelled, right?
Yeah, so b is 0.
And that's a contradiction, right?
Right.
From here we can conclude what? B squared would be cancelled, right? And we can take a to the 4 to left hand side, so 2a to the 4 is equal to 4a squared b, right? And then what can we conclude?
A squared is equal to 2b.
Yes, so or this one is 0, b squared plus 2ba squared minus a to the 4, right? Now let's check next one. Again, you can say f of this one is equal to f of a squared plus b is equal to what? From here, f of a
squared is negative a to the 4 minus 2a squared b plus b squared.
Exactly. Again, we can consider 3 cases, right? We can say it is equal to a squared minus b squared 0 or a squared minus plus b whole squared or negative of that, right?
Alright.
It is equal to this. So let me copy this and paste it 3 times. So this one and this one. So for this one, we can conclude it is what? A to the 4
plus 2a squared b plus b squared.
Then we can cancel this part. And we can conclude what is equal to what?
2a to the 4th is 4a squared b squared. So a squared is 2b.
A squared is?
2b?
Is careless mistake.
Oh, negative 2b.
Negative 2b. And from here, we can say it is equal to negative a to the 4, negative b squared, negative 2a squared b, right? 2a squared b, negative a squared would be cancelled, and b 0 contradiction, right? So we've reached two cases here, two cases here. We should contradict all cases, right?
Right.
First case is this one for first equation, for first case that we checked. Second one is this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we should check how many cases. We know one of them here. One of them is correct here, one of them correct. So we should consider 4 cases, right?
Oh.
Okay. Do you agree with this case is we can reject this case because a squared 2b
Right.
negative 2b is. If a squared is 2b, let's check this case, okay? Let's check this as case 1. In case 1, you replace a squared with 2b, right? So 0 is equal to what?
Negative 4b squared minus 4b squared plus b squared. Also, b squared, b is 0 contradiction.
Yes, negative c squared b is 0 contradiction, exactly. Now let's check this as case 2. We can replace a squared with negative 2b. Then we can conclude 0 is what?
0 is a squared, b squared minus 4b squared minus 4b squared.
Again, b is 0, right? So only one case is left, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one is 0 and this one is 0. Then what can we say?
For a squared b is 0, so a or b is 0.
Yes, this is equal to this is equal to this one. So these two things is equal. So for b a squared 0. But contradiction because a and b are not 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we reached contradiction for all cases, agreed?
Right.
And we proved this problem completely, right? Any question about this problem? And at the end, you should check 0, 0, all of them 0. All of them 0, obviously correct. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, right?
Right.
And then you can check all of them as squared. This is squared plus this is squared, this is squared, this is squared. You can prove all of them satisfy this. And it's not hard. Do you agree 0 is okay?
Mm-hmm.
So if it is 0 is okay, if it is x squared for all of them, then it is x squared minus y whole squared, right? Plus
2x squared y equals x to the 4th plus y squared.
Exactly. X to the 4y squared here we have, and negative 2x squared y 2x squared y would be cancelled, right? If f of x is negative x squared, this one is what?
Negative x squared minus y squared minus 2yx squared. Negative x to the 4th minus y squared, so it's the same. It's correct.
Exactly. It's exactly negative of this, right? Okay. Any question about this problem?
No, I think it's okay.
Okay.